Hey guys. So we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you the other things that we have got from the Summer Winds Nursery, and I'm gonna give you a little tour of my garden space, and also I'm gonna cover some of the plants that I have indoors. No, there's not many. So we're gonna get that in just a moment. I'll see you there. Alright, let me kill this light. There we go. Alright, so starting with the indoor ones, I have some peas over here that I got from Gurney's. These kale, actually I got from Gurney's as well. They weren't growing originally. I don't know why they decided to just love life all of a sudden. But you know, there they are. They're a little leggy because they're indoors. I'm going to put them outside soon. Probably like tomorrow or later tonight. I'm not sure yet. Sorry, my office is a bit of a chaotic mess. Alright, so this is my avocado tree. I'm not sure if it's loving life right now. I am trying to bottom water it. There's some water right here. But it looks like there might be some algae and everything like that, so I might have to figure that out. This is another avocado. It kind of has just stayed that way. They're the exact same age, basically, as far as grow time. In here is going to be the Bloomsdale spinach that I'm not 100% that grew or not outside. It may have gotten waterlogged or something. And the squash that I couldn't find if it had grown or not, which I had covered in these seeds and everything. So let's go outside. Oh, before we do, I forgot to mention. So in these little pots right here are these obnoxious little gnats. And from Summer Winds, we got this. You just sprinkle a little bit of it in there. You kind of top water it as much as possible. You can bottom water it as well. And it's supposed to get rid of like mosquitoes, fungal gnats, all that good stuff. I did see a good decrease in them. There used to be an abundance of them that was just awful and horrible, and you can come in here really well. So I have noticed it is starting to work. It is a slow working progress, so it's kind of just one of those things where you kind of have to let it do its thing and hope for the best. So let's go take you to the house real quick. Let's go outside. Okay, so it's a little dark out here. Got some lights, so hopefully you can see everything. Okay, so we're gonna start over here. So I had also gotten from Gurney's some cucumbers, pink beefsteak tomatoes. Those never grew. I could never get those to grow. The pink ones anyways. Let's see. Oregano was another thing that it started to grow, but I just can't get it to like get past the like early stage. So those are things I'm gonna have to try to like fiddle with to see if I can get those to grow at all. I did get a a refund in a sense, like a store credit, for the pink tomato and the kale, because originally they weren't growing no matter what I was doing. The pink tomato is still that way. Apparently the kale decided to sprout it for no friggin' reason, which is fine. Let it do its thing, that's fine. But yeah, so here's some of the cucumbers I had planted outside. Go away, you little weed. There's one here and there's one over there. There are some other things kind of in here. I don't know if they've ever decided to sprout or not. So here's some more of the peas that are here. They're starting to pop up here and there. These ones I'm not 100% on. I think they're just random tomatoes that I put out here just to see if they would grow. I've got another one over there somewhere. But there's these. I don't know if you can see them. These. And then these are the peas. And then there's a cucumber. And there's a cucumber. And then these guys. These guys are Walmart cantaloupe. You just go to Walmart, buy a cantaloupe, take all the seeds out, let them dry for like a day, and then throw them in your garden for no reason at all. And they just sprout up like little wildfire. So I've got 2 plants per little bunch of plants. So I'm gonna have to thin those out eventually, but that's going on right there. I have another random little plant over there. Like I said, it might be a tomato. These ones kind of look like they are. Over here is supposed to be the Snowball and the Copenhagen. I don't remember which order I put what in because I didn't have anything to label them at the time. But there, right here, is either the cauliflower, the Snowball, which I'm sure that's what that is, or it's not. But I don't know where the other one is. I haven't seen it pop up yet. And then we have these little grass-like things over here. And then we have what looks like should be right here the onions. So it is really frustratingly difficult to figure out which one is grass and which one is onions, because some of these are in places that I should not have planted anything. So either I dropped some or these are just weeds. So, but these are the lettuce. These are the black seed. I don't know if you can see that. The black seed Simpsons right here. And then over here is, no, these are the butter crunch. My bad. These are the butter crunch. And these are the black seed Simpsons over here. So the butter crunch right here, the organics in the back, and the non-organics in the front. There should have been 2 of each. I don't know if the other one popped up yet or not, but I know there's 3 of them so far. So there is 1 organic and 2 non. And then these are the black Simpsons right here. Right there. And then, like, again, a bunch of random little plants that don't belong. And then here is what I'm 100% sure is the Avon spinach. Right here, I don't know if you can see it very well. Let's get a side view. And then that, I'm not sure what the heck that is, but I have those everywhere. And then I'm not sure if the Bloomsdale is there or not, because I got right there a little grass looking thing that looks like could be spinach, looks like it could not be spinach, I'm not sure. Okay. All of these are pinto beans, all these big ones right here, they're all pinto beans. I grabbed those out of, you left, but I grabbed them out of a soup mix and planted them just to see if you could. And they all started growing. I got some damage down here, some bugs and environment and stuff like that, but they're getting their flowers. You can see that or not. So that's pretty cool. I did kind of do like a rope trellis in a sense, or a string trellis. It's just ribbon and some pipe that we had in the yard from digging up the old sprinkler system right here. And then I have posted on Instagram a lot about my like tomatoes and stuff that I had, and that's the only survivor. It used to be about 10 inches tall, give or take, and I had to bury it deeper into the pot, and now it's really big and pretty and fuzzy, and it's loving life at the moment. But the other plants that I had gotten from Summer Winds were these, all these pretty little things here. So let's see, what are you? Okay, so this is the Ancho Poblano chili pepper. And then we've got a Tuscan Blue Rosemary. Yeah, Tuscan Blue Rosemary right here. This one is, let me turn you around. The Hut Joloka, or I don't know. You can see it right there. It's supposed to be a type of ghost pepper. My husband wanted that one. And then these ones right here, all these right here, there's 6 different jalapeno plants in here. Oh, you're losing your flower. Very sad. But they got flowers already, so that's why I picked them. So that way, you know, we could potentially have jalapenos. But these are just regular jalapenos. They're just the standard hot variety. But yeah, that's what I got. So we're going to be planting these. Do a separate video. I'm not sure where I want them yet. And yeah, so we'll just stay tuned and see if I do a video on that or not. But I'll be keeping you guys updated. Instagram is a good way to find more pictures of these, when they were smaller, other plants that I had, and stuff like that. So but yeah, So yeah, just follow me on Instagram, and then you can find them here and stuff, and everything like that. So if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be very appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video that we do. Bye!